already zigzags. Washington DC, Baltimore. Yay! Ouch. Seconds. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me again, and my husband is there. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Ayan ang video natin, guys. Ayan kung nakikita nyo. Ang dami natin dyan mga bagahe kasi mayroon tayong trip vacation. We're going to Washington DC. Yes, Washington DC, capital of the United States. Right, honey?
Yep.
That's the capital of the United States. Ayan, first time natin pumunta doon. It's my first time, and honey, guys, ang dami naming dala. And after Washington DC is pupunta tayo sa what's next, honey?
Then we're gonna go to Ocean City, Maryland.
Ocean City, Maryland.
And then we're in Washington DC for 2 nights, Ocean City, Maryland for 2 nights, and then we're gonna go down the coast and be in Virginia Beach for 3 nights.
Oh, wow! Oh, I'm excited! Mga 2 hours na lang makakarating na kami sa Washington DC. So, see you there! Almost there!
Prepare to keep right onto I-270 after 1.8 miles.
So, ayan guys, ganito kapag big cities, traffic, and especially rush hours. Big cities, maaamoy mo na kasi pag sinabing big cities, traffic. Hi guys, ayan, 10 minutes na lang makakarating kami, but my expectation versus reality. My expectation is big buildings, a lot of lights, but look,
You'll
why
see
is it like we're in the woods?
You're gonna come right out into it, and there it's all gonna be. So don't.
If you can see, look guys, so woods. Woods. Parang probinsya, madaming mga trees and deers around. I saw deer. Oh,
Here we go.
and
And
here
downtown.
we go. Downtown. Ay, ito na nga kanina. We are now in Washington DC.
There's the Washington Monument. That triangle.
Triangle right there. What's
This
that?
is the Potomac River.
Oy guys, ito na yung ito na yung tinatawag nilang Washington.
After
Where is
1,000 feet, keep left onto US 29.
I wanna see the
Keep left.
Malacanang Palace. Ganda pala. Para kasing sa namin lugar namin. Ang ganda. Parang honey, maybe we can ride a bus if we go around.
I gotta ask the guy at the desk what's the best way to do it.
If you wanna go somewhere. Oh, yan na. Oh, guys. Ayun na. Oh, ayun yung monument. Oh. Is it a
What
monument?
does it say?
I don't know.
Something.
It's like, it's a monument. And just focus to your driving. Don't keep looking around. Focus. Oh, honey.
Oh, maybe we can
ride,
get that.
Ride that too. What is that?
He can take us from the hotel down to.
Kalesa? Ganyan ang kalesa.
In 900 feet,
Ay,
turn
ganda.
left onto Vermont Avenue
Ayun guys, ang
Northwest.
kalesa natin sa atin. Ganda ng building na yan, green and mirror lahat. Oh, ang saya. Ganda. Guys, ang ganda. Hi guys, ayan nakarating na kami. Dito na kami sa room. Ayan ang ganda guys. Meron tayong dito. Maganda yung room. Ayan, itutour ko kayo. Meron silang refrigerator. Ganda. Hindi ko pa nakikita. Walang laman syempre, diba? Uy, mayroon silang picture. Ito dala namin guys. Meron kaming dala dito. Ano, ayan, pagka malamig na. Ano, uy, meron silang, ayan, parang meron silang maliit na kitchen. Coffee. Ayan, meron silang coffee maker. Meron din silang dishwasher. Ayan, may maliit silang kitchen. Ayan, ang ganda-ganda. Meron silang maliit dyan na couch. May table dyan. Nilagyan namin ng mga gamit. Ayan. Ayan, ganda. And, yan na yung bed. Meron silang TV. Meron silang safe. And let's see the restroom. Ang ganda nung painting. Ayan si Tom. Ayan. And ito yung kanilang restroom. Shower, maganda yung shower. Yung shower, maganda. Ayan, maganda yung kanilang sink. Okay naman. Ayan si Tom. Tinitignan na yung aming map. So, ayan guys. Ay, pagod ako sa biyahe, kaya matutulog na muna ako. Mamaya, magdi-dinner tayo mamaya, guys. Ayan, punta tayo mag-dinner. Hindi pa namin alam. Honey, what time is it now?
Like 8:05.
It's 8:05 already. Nakarating kami dito ng mga 7 o'clock, guys. Ayan, guys, tomorrow ang activity natin is pupuntahan natin yung Lincoln Memorial Park and Washington Monument. Pupuntahan natin lahat yan bukas. Honey, I wanna see the White House. Honey, where's the other one? Capitol Hill? Ayan guys, ang ating activity tomorrow. Guys,
We didn't have to
Honey, what is this? Oh, the Stan's Restaurant. Ayan, sa Stan's Restaurant tayo ngayon, guys.
all, was it?
Yep, it wasn't far. Honey, wait, stop. Busy, guys. It's busy. Guys, ayan, nagwa-walk tayo ngayon, guys. And,
You can't even go.
guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa White House.
You can't even get on the
Yeah,
other.
pero malayo siya.
Oh, you see the
Washington,
perimeter?
D.C. White House, ha?
They have a whole street perimeter. You can't even go on the other side of the street.
Oh, yeah. Maybe we're gonna go there. There's a lot of people out there. Maybe that's the best way.
I don't know.
Come on, let's go there, honey.
Run.
Let's go check. Guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung Washington, D.C. And what that's? White House. There's the White House. So, and guys, look.
That's where
The U.S. Honey, take a picture of me here. Hi guys! Ayun, ang ganda oh. Yung building na yun oh. Ganda. Nice. Pumunta tayo sa, what do you call that again, honey?
Washington Monument.
Washington Monument.
Who was the first president of the United States?
Oh. So, can we go up there?
I don't know.
Or over on the very top?
You probably have to have reservations a year in advance.
And here, I like picture here.
Oh, it's good. But
That's nice. Tignan mo tong asawa ko guys. Kung ako yung kukuhanan niya ng picture. Basta click. Ayun guys, yung White House. That's the White House. This is World War II Memorial. And guys, look! Dito yung World War II Memorial. Philippines!
you used to be a prophet.
Huh? Look guys! Meron tayo na Philippines! Diba? Alaska. Alaska, Arizona, Wyoming, Washington, South Dakota, in the top side, Colorado, Nevada, Kansas, wow. And behind us is wow, Victory. So these are the
Wonderful. All the states.
all the states.
You want to know why the Philippines is over there? Because
Yeah.
you used to be a province of ours,
Oh,
a territory, and you guys said nope, we don't want it.
okay. We want our independence.
Yeah.
Ah, guys, look, ang ganda. Ayaw niya ng picture. Guys, ang ganda.
If those people were.
What? Oh, that's the White House. Honey,
It's not the White House.
what's that?
It's the Abraham Lincoln Memorial.
Okay. Those, that area? Lincoln Memorial. See? And guys, akyat tayo. Ang taas. Ang taas guys. Look, akyat tayo doon. Oh, that's... Oh,
Look at that.
oh, wow! Ay, ang ganda! Tignan nyo yung likod namin, guys. Who is Abraham Lincoln, honey?
He was a president of
Oh.
the United States during the Civil War.
So he was the president. Oh wow, this is a history. Oh, Lord, look. Honey, take a picture of me. Okay? Hi. Where is the... Yung Thomas Jefferson Memorial. Oh, pupunta tayo dun. Guys, nandito na tayo sa Thomas Jefferson Memorial. Yan o. See? Yan yung Thomas Jefferson Memorial. Yes. And if you look around,
Yeah, okay. Oh. Do it 1, 2, 3. Let me taste your Mexican rice.